Streamlining operations, the power of AI for business efficiency. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been transforming the way businesses operate in recent years. By automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks, AI can help companies to streamline their operations and achieve more efficient results. With the ability to analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions, AI provides businesses with a powerful tool to optimize their operations and drive growth. One of the key benefits of AI is its ability to automate routine tasks and processes, reducing the risk of human error and freeing up employees to focus on more strategic work. Tasks such as data entry, customer service, and sales forecasting can be quickly and accurately completed by AI, allowing employees to focus on higher-level tasks and contribute to the growth of the business. In addition, AI can help businesses to optimize their operations by analyzing data and identifying areas for improvement. With its ability to process large amounts of data and find trends, AI can help businesses make more informed decisions, reduce costs, and improve overall performance. Whether it's improving supply chain management, automating sales processes, or streamlining customer service, AI can help businesses achieve more efficient and effective operations. So, if you're looking to streamline your operations and take your business to the next level, consider the power of AI. With its ability to automate routine tasks, analyze data, and drive growth, AI is a valuable tool that can help you achieve greater efficiency and success. Whether you're a small business just starting out or a large corporation looking to stay ahead of the competition, AI has the potential to revolutionize your operations and transform your business.